spicy and delicious butter chicken with rice, Indian salad, and good bread. It really is a wonderful dish. Although butter chicken might take a little time at first, it is mostly the time when the chicken needs to marinate, because the working hours themselves are everyday friendly. If necessary, put the chicken in the marinade the night before, or in the morning. It will only get better. It is also a wonderful weekend dish, and good for guests, where you can serve several bowls of delicious Indian food to gather around.